Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to repot Ginseng Ficus. Start by choosing a pot one size larger and with drainage holes, then gather a well-draining potting mix, clean tools, and a root cleaning tray. Water the plant a day before to ease removal. Carefully remove the root ball, trim circling roots, and place in new soil so the root crown sits slightly above the rim. Firm, water, and let it rest in bright, indirect light. In this video, I will show how to repot Ginseng Ficus. Prepare a recipe of peat, perlite, and bark for excellent drainage, and moisten it slightly so it holds shape but drains freely. Lay out tools and a mat to contain soil, and have a small stick to help settle soil around roots. Position the plant in the pot, add soil around roots in layers, tamp gently, and water until runoff appears to settle air pockets. In this video, I will show how to repot Ginseng Ficus. Quick recommendation: life is short, so go darn tough with socks that last and a lifetime warranty, perfect for kneeling in the garden or carrying you to your next plant nursery trip. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and more deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to repot Ginseng Ficus. Begin by easing the root ball free from the old pot, then tease and trim tangled roots to promote outward growth. Add a layer of fresh mix to the new pot, set the tree centered, and backfill evenly while checking trunk verticality. Lightly press soil to remove air pockets, water thoroughly until runoff, and place the pot in bright, indirect light while avoiding direct sun for a week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.